was saying will start soon. I'll be right back. Alright, maybe I lied about how soon it was going to be until I started. Left you guys alone for a good 16 minutes there, but now we're back at it. Gonna continue from where we were yesterday, which was I need to close the other trays. Let's see. I'm gonna do a Control Shift F for tray in parentheses. Just the one, which is actually interesting. Just one tray. This is where we go to ChatGPT. Help me name a class. I have a system where a drop-down menu is wrapped in a array that handles hiding, showing the menu. That tray can be set to have a max width if coming from left, right, or max height if coming from top, bottom. As left, right, I'd call that a sidebar, but that name wouldn't fit with the top, bottom ones. And I name them. Damn it. Okay, it's right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep tray to mean sidebar, and then we're gonna come over here, we're gonna rename tray to panel. We're gonna have to update this. Oh, already did. Okay. Now let's do a Control F for tray. We're gonna make it panel. Caps is on tray, 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 tray. Tray, tray, tray. Tray, tray. Yeah. Okay, so those are all panels. I take a look at the lowercase. It says the state of the tray. Open the tray. Close other trays. This dot sending dot tray. Talk the state of the tray. Closes tray. L dot tray contains mint tray. Ah, see, this is why I was checking, because this needs to stay tray, because that's gonna That's going to be tray. But the rest of them, like it's checking for the tray class to see if it's going to be a sidebar. The rest of them, though, this one also gonna stay, but let's just start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Skip. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Skip. Good. We're going to save that. Do Control Shift F for tray. Come in here. Yeah, that's gonna stay. This mint tray is gonna be mint panel. I know I haven't built yet. Maybe I should build. Didn't bump the version. We'll see if I've actually been needing to do that for now. Let's see. This lowercase tray, dot set tray, this dot tray, tray. Okay, so this panel, and panel, mint. No, screw it. Go for capital and do that. Because I know you do those. Now we'll go to the lowercase one. Actually, we can just take that off. We're going to be replacing it with lowercase. This dot tray is going to be this dot panel, but tray is going to be whether or not it's a sidebar. This dot panel, panel, panel. Now we just have to get that. Oh, cannot find module tray. Really? Click on that. Click on that. Yes, this didn't save because it was open. So we'll build it. Now I would like to check out this chat partial again. Yeah, are you sure? Yeah, it is sure. It's just the way she goes. Save that, close saved. Pin that, close saved, unpin it. Whoa, okay, I didn't mean to close it. So keep that, package.json, bump it. Oh, you know what? Might not have to do that. just need to just need to install the local library instead of the past. Yo, what up, Opacity Zero? How you doing? You got programming questions, or you just here to chill? I should be able to go to the chat partial, and it's okay with the mid panel now. Very nice. Okay, is this really what I wanted? Yeah, just renamed the trade panel. Yeah, smart. No, no, no. I mean, if you give me a chat GPT to use, maybe I could be an opponent for chat GPT. But my knowledge is I don't know, very specific at any given time. Like, I don't really know how to do much. I just know how to uh, figure out how to do things, which is really all you need. Land of Happiness, huh? Yeah, in North America, but I don't know about Land of Happiness. Ask me again when we have universal health care. Okay, so we got that. Any more trays? Import mint tray. Yeah, that's what I should be searching for. So it's just in here. Very nice. Close enough. In fact, yeah, you know what? Yeah. We're gonna make this mint panel. And also, I bet I named it tray. We'll rename the panel. This one. This one. Skip. 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 This one. This one. Save. Oh yeah, not set tray, set panel. Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. Still love the country. Uh, I don't know. I think I'm just disillusioned. Also something is no, none of those. None of those. I am currently unemployed, which kind of sucks. I gotta let my cat in. So I guess I am a freelancer and self-employed. I do have some clients that I get some money from for building them web applications and shit. But it's not enough to pay the bills. So when I'm not coding here, I'm definitely just gonna be applying for jobs the whole time. And that's like probably another reason why I'm disillusioned is just that I've been unemployed for like a year, and I'm really good at this, and I just cannot find. I can't even get an interview, and that's pretty rough. Yeah, definitely trying to find a job. I need a job. Uh, I have bills to pay, and writing my own code doesn't pay the bills until I can find somebody that like wants to buy it. Yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, I am really good at it. I just can't find an interview. That's the issue. And my experience, I don't have experience at software development companies. It's like my first job was at a newspaper, so I don't think they see that and think, oh, he has software development experience. I think they see that and think, oh, okay, what was he doing at the newspaper? Like nothing, but I was building them applications from scratch, just me. And then I went to University of Pittsburgh, did the same thing there, but not a software company. And I moved to a media marketing company, and I was the only computer scientist there. So that got frustrating. Uh, no, no, no. I'll take any job. I'll take any job. I'm when they ask for what I want, I'm literally just putting in the minimum of the salary range. I'm just not even getting interviews. Um, yeah, I'm literally applying for everything. I'm applying for like junior positions because maybe they'll see if it's an experience issue, then I'll do a junior position. I literally don't give a shit. I just want a job. Uh, but I don't know. I'm having such trouble, even though I'm literally a god at this. Like, if I do say so myself, all my friends learned from me. I'm just, I don't know. For some reason, I've always been the least paid out of all my friends, and I got them into this. It's pretty funny. I don't mind it. Um. Oh yeah, definitely. Let's see. So I would say the back end development is my favorite, but I don't know. But I do like I like both equally. So I find myself doing more front end work because back end work is mostly just like do the thing. You write the code for the thing, and then you call the function, and it does the thing. Front end is more involved with like having to handle user interactions, and I feel like that's where the time sink is. The back end is easy, it's quick. Front end's like, oh, you gotta make sure you have an ng on destroy function here to detach your events. Otherwise, if your component gets recreated, then you're gonna have, when you try to open the menu, it's gonna open then close it immediately, and you don't want that. So I think there's just a lot more to the front end that I end up using it more. Yeah, we'll get there. Literally, all I need to do is find like one wealthy freelance client, and then I'll be fine. I had one. It was great. But what was going on? They decided they weren't going to do the project anymore, so didn't need me. We'll get there. Literally, I feel like when I launch my website, then that'll be a good example. Like, I don't have anything about AI on my resume yet, but once I push this, it's gonna be, I'm gonna have an AI chatbot to show off. Let's see, I gotta hide this for a second. Do some logging in. So yeah, I guess I don't really have a preference. I literally just I do everything to build applications from scratch. And so I would say maybe 15% is back end, 30% is server and cloud configuration, and that would give you like 55% front end. I feel like that's a accurate description. Yes. Yes. Actually, oh, maybe that's what I should do. I haven't been searching specifically for WordPress or Shopify jobs, but I do have those qualifications. I've worked with WordPress for like maybe 4 years, Shopify 1.5. That's a good idea. I should just literally just search for WordPress and probably find a job much easier. It's not exactly what I want to do, but for now, what I want to do is pay the bills. So, and WordPress is better than having to go get a retail job. Blech. But we're getting there. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to get a retail job if I don't get something going in like the next month. Yeah. Um, I don't know. I don't hate WordPress. I feel like maybe no, you're fine. I have like so much downtime when I'm doing this. Like I just started my server and it's gonna take like at least 10 minutes for that to happen. So you're not bothering me at all. Um, yeah, I don't know. I think WordPress is as fine as it has always been. I've never been like a huge uh uh what was I saying? I got confused because a true gamer popped back in. um let's see. So for okay, wait. Yeah, I don't know, WordPress is fine, but it's not my favorite. I'd rather like I literally built my own CMS for serverless applications, so I don't need to use it, and it costs me almost nothing. Like I pay less than $1 a month to run my applications. For a true gamer, if you want a real challenge, play the Lost. Second challenge, I would say Jacob and Esau, and then after that, I don't know, like maybe Eve, because she starts with less damage. Yeah, exactly. Yes. So I did have one client that wanted like I don't know, he didn't want something custom, so I did spin him up a WordPress server. But for the rest of my clients, yeah, it's like they're just like I want a website. It doesn't matter what's behind it. So in the beginning, I was just running JSON, but now I have basically that JSON is in a DynamoDB, and I grab it from a GraphQL thingy. Did I not serve? Huh. There's an error. Did I not? Didn't I save it? Let's do a rebuild. Oh, wait. I gotta build the libraries too. Which major boss? I don't know. For me, I feel like Delirium is the most major boss. I feel like Delirium's. Well, it depends on how you get to Delirium. I haven't even thought about using Jacob Esau on the Beast. That would be absolutely rough. All right, so back in here, we're on the dev server, so I can toggle chat, toggle the menu. This one should be coming from the sidebar too. Huh. Test chat. Give text. More text. Lorem ipsum. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, so we got the chat here. And if you go to /chat, it does reset. I should save the chat to local storage. Test chat. And it'll appear in here, but it also appears in here if you want to, say, navigate away to the home page. And you still have your chat over here, as long as you don't leave the website. What is going on with this? This is interesting. Ah, yes, yes. I forgot to do all the settings and shit. Okay. So I feel good. We're getting there. We're getting there. Yeah, yeah. Tell me about it. I spend way too much of my time on Isaac. It's bad. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, probably for the best. If don't use Shopify because I'm selling illegal stuff. That's pretty funny. Yeah. I've had my fair share of people being like, "Hey man, can you make me like a shop for drugs?" And I'm like, no. I mean, I probably could if you want to get caught. Do it on the dark web and you're still gonna get caught. Guessing the US government has enough Tor nodes to be able to figure out anybody's identity. Pretty sure they own half of the marketplaces. Let's see. I'm gonna add. No, we're gonna update this header. We're gonna update this header. Good, good. Hard mode's the only way. Actually, I've been playing on easy just because. Well, when I started, it had been a while since I played the game, so I started on easy, and then I decided I want to beat every marker on easy before I move on to hard. But I'm not, besides the more difficult characters. Okay, let's figure this guy out. Navbar settings we're gonna need. Frequently referenced elements, yes. Event handlers. We do not need this. Set the settings. Attach elements, attach events, add classes. Don't attach events. We don't need destroy. We don't need, no, we do need attach elements. We'll come back to that though. Attach event, no. Attach events, no. Add classes, yes. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. Get rid of probably all of this. Toggle mobile menu, set menu, toggle menu. Close submenus, close sibling menus, close all menus, close closest menu, close closest menu, toggle closest menu. handle resize, handle scroll, wrap, key press, toggle, transition end. Yeah, delete all that. So literally all the header's gonna do is attach this fixed class. Yeah, just need that one. Let's see. Nice. That's awesome. Be careful, sometimes this game takes a toll. Okay, don't need any of this stuff. Do I really need the side? Yes, because it has the default from, default fixed. Default from is going to remain in the other one, so we're just going to save that. Navbar settings, frequently accessed elements. I'm going to do navbar functionality. Nope, it's going to be what the header partial has. This is weird. Give me my stupid formatting. Okay. Touch elements, add classes. We're gonna do this dot panel equals new mint panel, this dot settings, same with the menu. Ban the spam. Okay, so when this is initialized, it creates a new panel and menu. And this is gonna come with a default ID, mint header, wrapper ID, mint wrapper. Let's see, fixed true. Does the menu have fixed? I don't think so. We'll get rid of that. Nope. Gonna need it. Yep, make sure the wrapper ID, wait. No, the defaults are set, so we're good here. Attach elements, Add classes. I'm gonna add detach events, and that will detach the events of the panel and the menu. Don't need any of that. Save it. Give it a rebuild. It shows that it changed here, but it also says no output file changes. Oh, probably because I didn't change this. Give me that. Import that. This dot header dot panel dot set panel. This dot header equals new header options, good. And on destroy is going to be the dot header dot detach events. Just to keep it clean. Ah, I did change it to mint menu, didn't I? Save that. Rebuild that. Those are defaults. Save that. Do a full rebuild. Yeah. Take a look. What was I testing? I guess the whole ass menu. Open menu, close menu, open menu, close menu. I already let my cat in. So we got both of these guys toggling. Oh, and now this guy doesn't cover the header because I got the classes fixed. Oh, interesting. definitely not fixed because this. Ah, yes. Is here. Needs to be on the menu. I do believe. Build the library. Cart chat. What? Did I not save? No, I saved it. I guess we'll just rebuild the whole thing. Hmm. Tray fixed from panel, add classes. It's the panel. Damn it. Something is not right. Mint menu. There's the button. Here's the wrapper. Something's very wrong. I'm gonna bump this, save it, rebuild, exit out of that, rebuild. Let's try adding the ID here again. I hate it when things don't update after I've changed them. I'm so confused. How? Why? I'm so confused. Just save that. Build the mint library. Serve it. Come on. Mint header. Testing, mint right. Oh! I know what's happening. Bump this. Rebuild, come over here. Reinstall the local dependency. Right? Why would it be doing it on mint header? Because the header is cached, that is why. Okay, so now testing is there. This guy has mint right. Okay, gonna have to fix some styles here, but we're getting there. Let's see, didn't have tray set to true. So tray wasn't added. So for the panel, go to add classes. this.settings.panel, this.l.panel, classlist.add mint tray. Check app.ts. Gonna have to figure that out. Options. Tray is true. Tray is true. If this.settings.tray. Better. Should just be able to serve that again. Unless I need to do that first. Just do it just in case. Let's see. While that's happening, I'm actually also going to top do this.l.panel.add class mint panel. Let me save that. Now I got to think about how I'm gonna close all other panels. I could make like a panel service, but I don't think that's what I want to do. Um, we're gonna add mint panel there. Let's see. I guess I'll do this.l.panel toggle button.classes mint panel toggle. Save that. And then make it a set panel. If opening, close other panels. I'm just gonna do this dot close other panels. Panels equals document dot query selector all dot mint panel panels dot for each panel panel dot classvis dot remove mint open. Those other panels document dot query selector all Well, only one panel should be open at a time, but just in case, we're gonna do dot mint panel toggle aria expanded equals true. Honestly, it should just be the one, so I'm just gonna give it one of those. You know what? Why doesn't it want me to do optional chaining here? I don't know, seems fine. I'm gonna save that. And we're gonna rebuild it. Wait, we're gonna bump it. We're gonna rebuild it. We're gonna relink it. We're gonna reserve it. I feel good about this. If this works, I'm gonna take a quick break. No, I'm gonna take a quick break anyways. Gotta go to the bathroom. Also, my hands are cold, so gotta wash my hands. Mint menu, mint panel, mint right, mint tray. Okay, well, I do still need to fix the styles. Nope. Oh, let's inspect this. The button has mint panel toggle. Oh, wait. Did I mess this up? Yeah. Pick does not exist on type element. God damn it. Might as well just do that in 2 lines instead of wrapping that in parentheses and making the line way too long. So, gotta do the same old routine. If you don't know, while your terminal's running, you can press up to go through your history. And now I pressed it twice, so when it lands, I can just press enter and it'll serve it. Getting good at the terminal is essential. Okay, well, not exactly working. button, aria expanded equals true. Oh, it worked that time. It's not working here. So opening the header will close the chatbot. But opening the chatbot doesn't close the header. Inspect this guy. In panel toggle, aria controls wrapper, aria expanded equals true. Dot mint panel toggle, aria controls, mint wrapper, aria expanded equals true. Aria label equals close panel. Come back here. Huh. Might as well just log that out. Do a cool. Forgot about that break I said I was gonna take. Take a look at the console. Open panel, toggle button. Ah. Okay. So I think it's open panel, toggle button. Open panel, toggle button. I guess I didn't name these. But every time the button is this guy, open this one, still this guy. Because it's the first one. So, what does this tell us? That means we need to not include the button that belongs to this guy. So, well, first off, let's go to the app.ts. Header, no, we're gonna go to header. Panel needs a title. that. Rebuild. Come back here. Close other panels. Iron expanded equals true. And Aria controls is not equal to, no, that starts with probably bang. You know what? I don't remember. Time to check the cheat sheet. Oh wait, it's like wait, this is that starts with, that ends with. It's like shit. Um Regular expressions. Hmm. Guess we just use not. Woo. Do that, but we're gonna have to change these to backticks. Backticks. No, we'll do this. I'm gonna oh. Open panel selector. Const open panel selector equals this. This dot settings dot ID. But this is going to be wrapped in a not. Colon not, right? Yes. We'll save that. Bump it. Build it. Link it. Serve it. All right, I will be right back this time. back. That's it. Open panel, open panel menu, toggle button. Ah, aria controls equals mint chap. Do I need to reload it? Oh. Wait. I click on this one. It chooses this one. Aria expand equals true. Not aria controls equals this dot settings dot id. Gotta try that, I guess. One step at a time. Ah, dumbass. Wrapper ID is what I want. I'll just keep the logs as is. This is very annoying. Oh, and I forgot to bump. If I don't do that, the cache wins. I gotta get my phone charged. Serve it. Gotta give this icon the animation. Open panel menu, toggle button. No, good. Now do this one. There we go. So now no matter which one is open, the open one will be clicked and that will hide it. Let us remove the logs. Ah, but that reminds me. Chat partial. Title. Okay, so we're good there. We're good here. I do believe the menu worked fine. We're gonna try it with it all combined into one, so this looks fine. This is not. I need to update the styles, which doesn't need to be do the ridiculous cache clearing rebuild thing, because the SAS files or the styles for the library are SAS files, not CSS. So what I need to do is come to partial header. But instead it's going to be a widget. Pretty sure I'm going to make a tray widget that the background or that the chat is going to inherit from. Or not tray, I renamed it. New file is going to be underscore panel.scss. Okay. I've got this header. I gotta figure out what I'm doing with that. Reverse. How did I label this? Main. Let's see, ARIA label. ID equals mint wrapper, class equals mint open. Mint menu gets panel. Mint right, mint tray. Okay. Okay, here's what we're doing here now. Mint wrapper, or this right here, ID wrapper. Oh, this is gonna be so weird. Okay, so I want header, you know what, wait. Close saved. Give me header, panel. Copy all that, paste it into panel, and then we'll delete what we don't need. Panel styles, import SAS math. Don't need that. Panel styles. Header, very nice. Except these. Expand, include, break, header break. Oh shit. Yeah, I broke it. Definitely gonna have to do some reworking here. Okay, so this is panel. Header doesn't matter. I'm gonna change this to menu. Wait, no, yeah. Panel, and it's gonna be a class. It's not gonna have any of this. Class right. Wrapper, can't do this by ID. Class, probably gonna have to do panel wrapper. And then header.ts. Nope. Panel.ts. Add classes. That. Come back to here. Copy that. Everywhere in here. I'm gonna replace that. And expand. Right. Header break. Buttons is with auto. Controls wrapper. Yeah, that one actually stays. So I can't do that. I can't do the find and replace I just did. That one for sure. This one for sure. This one for sure. Then we have the expand. No, this is going to be part of the header. So yeah, I can keep that. I can keep this one. Just these ones I have to change. Expand. Keep that. Although... And then spread. Really should be in menu. And then tray. This one gets replaced. This one gets replaced. This is gonna take a while to clean up. Which one was this one? Panel wrapper. I think I want some of these, but like the UL stuff, I'll keep the last child. I need the A comma button, I can probably just get rid of. UL. Really all I wanted was the wrapper. Okay, here it is. Expanded, true. Class menu icon. Background transparent before template. Okay, so that's the menu icon. Don't need that in here. Don't need logo, don't need navbar. Don't need that. No, no. 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 Class tray. Panel wrapper. Get rid of all this stuff. Class spread. Yeah, that's not for this file. Include break, header break. Let's see. Expand. Include break, header break, class buttons, ID wrappers. Yeah, that's not for here. And these are for here. Okay. We got our panel file. It has the top, left, right, bottom. It has the tray. And the panel wrapper. Hmm. Did I add this? Right, bottom, left. Oh yeah, top is default. I don't need to add the top if they didn't add it. Else if let's add a panel. Yeah, that can just be deleted. So rebuild that. Get the header, good. Expand. Expand. Buttons, controls wrappers, display none, good. ID wrapper, good. And nav. All this fun stuff. Spread. file underscore menu.htcss. Gonna take spread. Oh no. Oh. Bleh. Okay, we'll get into that later. For now, I'm just gonna keep the menu a part of the header. Tray. I think panel kept the tray part. Yeah, panel wrapper has the gap, font size, max width. I can get rid of those. Keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that, keep that. Oh, this is the controls. Definitely want to keep that. This ID wrapper is the one I was thinking of. Display flex, flex direction column, background, overflow, class open. I should be able to just get rid of all those. Buttons, class dropdown, has controls not wrapper. Yep, good here. So I'm gonna save these two as separate. I think I need to do that again. Press up twice. Ah! Yeah! Always remember to stretch. And stand up every once in a while. Ah! Forgot to include the new styles. Index. @use panel. @use menu. It's empty for now, but that'll be fine. And then I'll reload this. Got my sidebar. This one too. Except it's not supposed to be blocking my scrolling if it's a sidebar. So we're gonna have to fix that. Definitely gonna have to fix the styling of the chat, but we're pretty good. A little bit of flicker of the scroll bar. Of course, that won't happen whenever I fix that bug. So, what was the bug? Ah, yes, overflow. So I need to go to panel, find the overflow. Let's see if it's mobile. if open. So if we're opening it, let's see, if it's mobile, we're gonna set the overflow to hidden. That's it. Dot tray. Let's find settings dot panel to make sure that I fix that elsewhere. What's this? Handle resize if is open. Yeah, this is the same one. Wait, this looks pretty. If this dot settings dot panel, if is mobile, overflow is hidden, else overflow is hidden. If this dot l dot html, html dot overflow equals overflow. Okay, I can fix this. I cut that. We'll call it this dot handle overflow. And we'll also do it here. Wait. No, these are slightly different. This time it's definitely setting the overflow. Wait. Is mobile overflow? Because this, if it's not open, sets the overflow to auto. This one only runs when it's open, so yep, slightly different. We're keeping it. But I am going to replace settings.panel with settings.tray. Get those, save it. Do I have the menu.ts? Settings.panel, tray? Nope, nothing. Okay, so rebuild. Relink. Reserve. All right. What was I doing? Whoops. If they start saying it's not Trey. I don't have it mobile, do I? I don't think so. Nope. Very sad. Okay, so panel. Let's get us a helpful log. While we're doing that, I'm gonna open up the styles for the chatbot partial. Yeah, I don't need this at all. Or this. This is actually styling the chat. And we're gonna take these. Save that. Come down to npm mint. Gonna be partial. Gonna be widget, chat widget. No. Yeah. New file, chat.scss. Paste that in there. Let's come back to headers so we can copy this. I'm not gonna need math. Good. Find the index. Use chat. Serve it. Because I don't need to rebuild. Or the SAS. Chat is probably where the corners are rounded. Yeah, let me see this. That'll be fine for now. You can just come over to chat, find border. Ooh, those guys. Remember to always add your DVH after a VH for good mobile styling. And you want to make sure you have your VH here in case the browser doesn't support DVH. That's kind of a newer thing. It's not very new at this point, but kinda. So with that, I should be able to do this and this. And whatever was causing my typing issues isn't happening anymore. What's going on here? Got any specific styles? I do int bpm. Icon. I'll at least center it. Is it 50 pixels? I don't know, this doesn't look very centered. Yeah, it's not. I take this I is going to be display flex. Items center. Justify content is already center. Yes. And then the input, you'll get a padding right 50 pixels. Okay. Definitely too bright a color to put there, but I'll fix that later. Let's see, we're in the chat. I want to go to input. Button. Can I make this inline flex? I think is the better way to go. Wait, do I not need the flex at all? Oh no, it was the eye. It was the eye. Display. Inline flex. Do I not need any of this? What is going on here? Yeah, I definitely already had that styled out. Give me a... Let's just go to cat.partial. .html. We're gonna replace this with a mint button icon. Wait, just chill. Just chill. Okay, this is fine. Wait. Tooltip, send message. ARIA controls. No? Mint button icon item, paper plane. What are you mad at here? What's going on? Oh, okay, I have to import it, right? So, classes. Mint stretch icon. And then, yes, click is going to be send message. I'm going to delete this. Save that. Come in here. Wait. That's why. Ng build ngx chat. And then ng serve. What is this one? Why is it styled like this? Yeah, it's too one off. What's going on here though? Okay, it's the mint widget button icon. Hello. Click it. But for some reason, this I needs a display block. No, left. And a line item center. I like this is gonna get it. Like just all of them. Display flex is probably gonna break. Yeah, that's actually not even gonna work. Inline flex. Oh, I have it up here. Line items center. Why is it just this one? It's usually better without. Oh wait, it's probably something to do with a chatbot button. Do you want that? Okay. Stop. We're just gonna come down to the styles, find button, find icon. Ah, right, the display block on super small screens. Margin 0, color, font size, before transition, adding 2 pixels. Display inline flex line item center. Okay, that'll update this one. Looks great. Yeah, I'm gonna wanna put padding on this. What's up with this guy? Why is it 64 pixels? Because it has padding of 1 rem plus the width of this guy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to restyle that. But I'm going to do Gotta go to chat, button, since that's position absolute, we have to make sure the input has padding right. And now we're just gonna do 50 pixels. Yeah, not quite enough for this guy, but for this guy, I'm guessing it'll work just fine. Yep. $50 feels like too much though. Oh, it's probably the border. Yeah. 49 minus 2, maybe 47. Would feel better, probably. I feel like. A little bit. Okay, and then as nice as this is, I think I need the buttons need to be the priority of the header. So I think I do mint buttons, flex shrink 0. It already has that, so I'm guessing then the image is gonna have it. Maybe I need to explicitly set it. Flex shrink 1. Didn't do it. This guy. It's gonna be this guy. Flex shrink 1. Give the buttons width 100%. Apparently not. Okay, so first off, I know what's gonna have to happen here. Let's go to the header partial. And we'll do dot mint logo. Header, find logo. And the span is going to be display none. That include break XS. Display, what's a span? So I want to say spans are inline block or inline. Inline. Let's try that out. Now we just have the logo. If you're on really small devices, when it hits my smallest breakpoint, which would be 480, then there's room for apartment. But still, even if it wasn't like that, I do want this to shrink, if possible. Let's see what's going on. Width auto, and I can't flex shrink one it. Well, first off, it disappears. I gotta disable that. Eeh. I feel like it would be the A. Wait. This A is display contents. So it would definitely be this one. Let's shrink one. Still not letting it happen. Images with auto. This is with auto. Like shrink one is no. Do we need the buttons to be? This is flex shrink 0. Flex wrap, no wrap. He has flex shrink 1. He has flex shrink 1. Flex shrink 1. It's not doing it. With auto. It's not doing it. Like I want this to appear only if it can fit. This to appear only if it can fit. Maybe flex isn't what I want. Let's see, this is display flex. Okay, so I think this, put it on the span with auto, not doing it. How am I gonna do this? Give it a reboot. There needs to like overflow. Like hidden is what I need to do. Start here. This is display flex. And this can't flex. Basis 0 maybe? Flex shrink 1. Buttons. Doesn't have flex grow. Yeah, it doesn't need that. Doesn't need that. If we reload this, try giving this one also display contents. Now give this one flex rank 1. Ah. I'm gonna be fine with this for now. But this is something I'm gonna have to come back to, especially for, say, Death Comes Lifting has a larger logo. Okay, let's update the chat page. To use the same button as the chat partial. Save that, import it. There. Woo. Wait. Shit. Do that. ng build ngx chat. And we'll reserve it. Very nice. Now we have this. Hey, why doesn't this one get that? Need to figure that out real quick. Probably need to do that in the chat styles input, class input. Okay, so do I not have that on the partial? It's in class mint input. Class chatbot, class chat. Yeah. Oh. Mint chatbot. This is in mint chatbot inside mint chat. Mint chatbot. Wait. Mint chatbot and then mint chat inside of that. Here's mint chatbot. Although this is ID equals mint chatbot. No, there's class equals mint chatbot, and then this is mint chat. Okay, so that's something else. And then input class equals chatbot, class equals input. And where's your button icon? Doesn't look like this is being applied. Take this button, hover it, and then what wasn't being applied? States. Background, header button. Oh, I see. Mint chatbot. I feel like this one's more specific than this one. Maybe just because this one has an ID, it's more important than the class. Don't tell anyone I'm doing this. Okay, everything looks good. There's chat here. There is menu here. They work together. I think I'm good. There's got to be something else I'm forgetting. But for now, I like where we're at. So I'm gonna close saved. We're good. Let's delete these. We're gonna keep this guy for sure. So give me a new one in npm mint, npm run. No, git status. So chat menu panel, new ones. Panel.ts, new. Index.ts was changed. Header.ts was changed. Tray was deleted because now it's panel. Updated the index, added button widget, or modified button widget. Header partial package.json. Right. So first I want to do git diff package.json and see that it's only that. Now I can git restore package.json. So we're back on track with the versioning, and my fake version bumps that clear the cache don't affect my published versions. Now, we can do npm version. Also, now it's minor again, because it's a breaking change. So I guess I didn't really have to do that. v%s, because a minor version would have made the patch number 0 anyways. Okay. And this is chat styles, header, okay. Header functionality, trays, styles. That's good. That's fine. Be right. All right, that's probably published by now. So we updated the chat library. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And the styles, removed the styles. npm run update. Gonna update all my personal libraries. Let's say changed one package, yeah. Um, yeah, so I think everyone's happy here. I'm going to git commit oh wait, I need to figure out how I'm gonna publish this because recently I've been doing it by committing to prod, but this time this is a pull request. This is a pull request. Which means we're gonna have to update the workflow before we do this. I should do this for, in fact, I am gonna do this for npm mint as well, but first, come up here, look at the publish workflow, publish GitHub packages on release. Types created. Oh, okay, so I publish it when a new release is created. So I would just have to let's see, on release, types created. Yeah. I would just create a new release. After I merge. What up, Talk Smiles? How you doing? I'm writing some GitHub Actions workflows, or at least thinking about it. Yeah. Yeah, if I'm merging a pull request, I don't need this. I'm just gonna publish it myself. So git commit. This is gonna be finished up cat widget. We're gonna push it. Nice, big fan of Node. Are you using TypeScript or Vanilla JS? Yeah, Google. I've been having issues with Google's what do you call it? Next.js. I feel like Next is TypeScript first, isn't it? I haven't actually used it. Wait. Yeah, Next is the React framework. Okay, so is that for like server-side rendering? Nice. That's what's up. I haven't really gotten into React yet. I just got into Nuxt, which is the next, it's Next but for Vue, and I absolutely love it. So if Next is anything like Nuxt, I'm sure I'm going to have a blast learning it. If my employment status remains the same for much longer, I'm gonna have no reason not to. What am I doing here? What did I do? GitHub. Nope, that's Angular CLI issues. Let's pull request, feature slash OpenAI into prod. I have a theory that this actually isn't gonna work. So I look forward to that happening. That's a lie. There we go. So now it has to build this. But I told it to use prod whenever I'm merging a pull request, but prod doesn't have the chatbot functionality yet. So I think this is gonna fail. At which point I can just fix that. I highly recommend Angular if you like React and Next. But I mean, I would say at least maybe look into it to see if you would like it better. But if you already know Next, you're probably set. To be honest, Angular is like there's a lot to it, so you really need to like dip your toes in and be like, is this something I want to work with? And I think pretty quickly you'll be able to be like, wait, I think I like this, or hell no, and then just ignore it. But if you do like it, just know that you're in for it's a bit of a learning curve. But like using Angular now, I have so many. At this point, I have 7 Angular libraries because I just like keep on like, oh, look at this functionality I'm gonna add. Let's put it in a library. And then all my other projects can just import it, and it's super easy. I'm loving it. Let's see, what was I doing here? I need to update the amplify.yaml file. I imagine if this doesn't work, pretty sure this isn't gonna work. Let's see, because I said case AWS branch in PR, which means it's gonna be a pull request. It's deploying pull request with prod backend, but that's literally not gonna work because prod doesn't have the same backend as what I just built. Let's see, and then this one's star deploying to AWS branch. APX, APX pipeline deploy branch, AWS branch, app ID, AWS app ID. Yeah. So if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna get rid of this logic and have it deploy its own pipeline, which would look more like wait. What do I need to do here? Deploying pull requests with prod backend. If it's actually just prod, then I do prod. If it's PR star, it should deploy its own branch. Otherwise, it should probably just use prod. Nope, I don't think so. Pretty sure I just need to do this. Let's see. Extract the font awesome token from secrets, build, install, deploy the pipeline, build. Artifact, space directory, disk, files. Yeah, that looks right to me. I just got an email, so that's probably... Oh, it's automatically being deployed. I don't think it's ready yet. Oh! I'm skeptical. This has my prod data for sure. The menu. And it's got this. These work. I forgot to turn off. I gotta fix something about that. Let's see. Test? That's what I thought. Surprised it built it all, but I guess we're fine. I'm gonna give this a reload, give this another chance to turn to true. There we go. And this just tells me whether or not it can detect if I'm streaming. Not directly from this, but this is separate. Basically, I just scrape Twitch and then look for metadata that shows that I'm streaming. And then if it is, set this to true. And I'm gonna use that to, I'm gonna have a carousel at the beginning here, like a landing page where you can scroll through. And if this hits true, then it's gonna insert coding with Sam on the next slide. So that's fun. Everything looks fine here. Yeah, we can rebase it. Delete the branch. Okay, so I guess I don't really need to do that. But maybe I should. It's if I need to test new backend features. Okay, this is why I should split the front end and back end of my projects. For now, it works, so I'm not gonna fuck with it. I'm gonna call get branch. Let's see, we're on OpenAI right now. And yeah, now that that's ready, we're gonna go into the store, and that's gonna use the same tray that we just built for the chat toggle. So, git switch feature slash where can I autocomplete? No, that's sad. Store. Then we're going to git pull origin prod to pull the latest updates. And now we're back. And It's 1 o'clock. I've been going for 3 hours. I'm going to take a quick break, stretch, eat, chores, cat, etc. And when I come back, we will get the store ready, which is going to be fun. That's probably going to be like a 3-4-parter. Not going to be quick. Even though I already have most of the code already written. I got a whole ass. Let's take a quick look at it before I leave. Amplify, mint, functions, square catalog. How long we got? Nice 500 line file. That sucks. Get your taxes, get the attributes, you can get options, images, categories, items, subscriptions, inventory. This is get all of the things you request, so you can request a bunch of different ones. Then this just checks which ones you requested and then goes and grabs those. Constructor sets the client and all the settings. That's pretty much it. This is the types that you requested. List your Square store's locations. This is supposed to handle Square errors, but it wasn't working, so I commented that out. Maybe I'll see if I can fix that. These are the different request types you can send to Square. This big int is so that I can convert a big int into JSON. Yeah, and that's it. Imported these from Square. Look at me using double quotes up here. It's been a while since I touched this, so that'll be fun. We'll have a good time. I'm going to start on the front end though, because we just did the tray, and I'm going to do that to the cart. But then we'll get into the back end, get the store running, and then once I have something for sale on my store, then I can finish my trademark application. Which would be nice because I paid for it. So I will be taking a break. As always, thank you for joining. It was great hanging out. Always love talking about this stuff. I'll be back soon, probably within the hour. If you know anybody who's a tech recruiter or hiring devs, you know where you can send them. This guy.